Well, it's Candace.
Affected by this terrible tragedy, we want to let you know that from all of us at Delta, you are in our thoughts and prayers. And God bless you.
His come save me sheet.
This is what he put up?
Yeah.
For help?
Yeah. The smell is just gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
The bed floated away. The floor just flipped over. I just can't believe the power of water. Like, the furniture has been dragged all over the house.
This is the floor?
Yeah. But, like, look how gnarly. Like,
So this is completely underwater.
yeah. This was the last place he was before he went to the kitchen.
What's the plan? Just tear the house down to the...
Pay to tear the whole house down. Look.
Oh, shame.
That's Candace from middle school. So gross.
Oh.
Nowhere left to go. I went from a low bed to a higher bed. So when it got to there, I said, I have to get out of here. And the current was too much outside. So I had the dogs. So I couldn't have the dogs swimming around in the current. So I chopped out the skylight with a hammer. Look how thick that is. You had to hit it with a hammer and smash out this piece that was covering it there. And then I climbed out the window, and then a rescue craft came past and a jet ski. We waded down there and the dogs swam behind.
What do we say?
Arriba, abajo, al centro, adentro.
What does that mean?
Here's to a house that never floods again. Never. Please.
Never know.